everyone, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. So today I'm actually in the kitchen preparing dinner, and I wanted to show you what I'm using my Instant Pot for tonight. First, let me say the reason I'm doing this video is because when my kids were here, my kids who actually live in Sweden were here in December of last year, exactly a month ago. We used this Instant Pot every day, and when they went back to Sweden, they called to say they had purchased one and started to use it. And I told them, let me go ahead and do a video on the Instant Pot. So let me share with you the information that I shared with them over the phone. Let's get started. Right now I'm sauteing some chicken in the Instant Pot, and what I had used to season or to marinate the chicken were some onions and pepper, red, green, and yellow pepper here, and of course I have chicken stock and some sauce there as well. But pretty much what I do when I use the saute in the Instant Pot is I will just saute whatever the meat is first, and then after it's sauteed for say 10-20 or so minutes, then I would either pressure cook to whatever meat, as in this case I'm doing the chicken. So let me show you what's inside. I'm actually just sauteing, and then but I have all the onions and pepper in already, and I just added the chicken stock to it right now, and now I'm going to put the cover on and let it cook for the 45 minutes that it takes to prepare this. So I've just put the cover on, and I'm going to, it turns off, just turned off, and now I'm going to click onto poultry, which is the chicken, and then I'll do pressure cook. And so it shows 45 minutes. Of course, it's going to take longer than 45 minutes because, of course, it gets to a boiling point. And then I'll go through the process as we go along. But it's on right now. Now, I use my Instant Pot almost daily. And I use it to do meat or stew, bean, chili, chicken. I use it as to prepare rice, of course. And I use it as a pressure cooker, a slow cooker. I also use it as a rice cooker and to steam vegetables as well. Plus there are a whole host of other things, for example, that I could still do with this Instant Pot. For example, I could do porridge or yogurt, and of course I haven't done those, but if I needed to, I could as well. So there's a whole host of things that I can do with the Instant Pot. And just to let you know, I always had a rice cooker, and just recently it went out on me, and I actually have never cooked rice in just a regular pot. I have always used a rice cooker, and so immediately I had to use the Instant Pot, and I can tell you it was much better than the rice cooker, because once I put the quinoa and whatever else I was putting in there, I just put it cover on and didn't have to do anything other than when it was ready, I opened it, and that was it. Now we have exactly 3 minutes left, and earlier I had mentioned that it would take 45 minutes plus additional minutes for to just get it to that heating point. But in this case, because it was actually sauteed before and was hot, then it only took the 45 minutes. So there are 3 more minutes left on this, and I'll show you as soon as the minutes are up how I'm able to open the top or let it cool, whatever the however I need to do that at the end. So let me wait for the 2 minutes, and then we'll just get back on and show you exactly how it's done. It's exactly a minute to go, and I want to show you how to open it once it's finished, or if you choose not to wait until it cools down. So let me just wait for the minute, and then we will show how it's opened. Okay, so it's finished, and if I say I needed to get the dinner out right away, what I would do is right, this lever right here, I would turn it this way and the steam goes off. You can hear that. I'll step away. And the steam would go. And when the steam stops, when the noise stops rather, then I'd be able to open the Instapot. So it's on 0 and the steam is almost finished. See, it's 59 seconds. Okay, so there it is. It's finished. And so what I would do, and once this lever is down, as you can see right here, then I can open here. It's opened and it's all done. Now, if I didn't want to, if I wanted to wait until it was finished, because usually I do that, all I would do is just let it stay on and then it would just keep the time as how long it has been finished and continue to keep the time going. So it says a minute, that means it stopped cooking a minute. I didn't have to turn the lever up here or anything like that. So, and one quick item as well, this little piece of equipment here is one that goes at the very back to, we use that so that anything, any extra grease or whatever comes out of the Instapot, then it falls into this as opposed to the counter. So that's pretty much it there. My Instant Pot has made preparing meals in the kitchen so much easier. I'm so happy that I have it. I've had it for a little over a year. I did a video when I got it first, and here I am a year and a half later. I'm doing another video, but it's one piece of kitchen appliance that is used constantly every single day. So again, I hope you like this video. I hope you'll take time out to subscribe to my channel. That is, if you have not already done so. And if you have, thank you so much. I am so appreciative. Thank you so much for stopping by. And I look forward to seeing you next Friday, of course, in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.